Okay, did you guys have your materials already? You have to fold and then you have to draw a line as shown there in the picture, and then you have to cut it all the way down like this.
Teacher, I do it right? Is it like
Yes, very good, Achi.
I already do it.
Okay, and then you have to
Down.
down and then up
It's
and
easy.
down. Okay, it will look like this one. At the end, can you cut it?
I use rice to glue it. I'm gonna show you. I use
Rice? Really? Wow, you're smart. Okay, next one.
nice.
Wow, it's nice.
We are going to make what we call a gyrocopter, okay? And we are going to do something today, and what you're going to need is a piece of paper. We can make a gyrocopter with paper and make it fly.
In this video, I'll show you how to make a paper helicopter like I used to make as a child.
We need a pen and a paper piece and scissors and
Yeah, that's brilliant. Good, well done, Chrissy, mate. Okay, now you can fold these in. You can fold it in like that.
Okay, I got that piece of paper already.
Have you got a bit of paper?
I already have it done already. Yeah, but I cut it already.
So I'm saying that you need a bit of paper. So here we are, A4 sheet of paper, fold it longwise.
So cut it.
Okay,
Put it in there.
and then fold it. Okay, and then when you folded it, you need to get your scissors and cut along the fold. And when you finish cutting, you end up with two bits of paper like that. Okay, two bits of paper like that, don't you? So I went to the school and I tried them out. Okay, and then next one.
Ooh, the big one looks so cool. It's both of us. Both of us.
That's a nice song. That's a nice sound. Okay, let me find it to you. I'll help you with the song.
This song that I and Jamsai play is Gasoline. Mr. D, look at me. The rice is moving.
ไข่แดง I don't know I can speak in Thai right teacher
Kai Deng is egg.
egg yolk
Egg yolk. Okay.
lemon
Lemon. Okay, lemon juice a little only.
and then soap water
Salt water.
soap
Soap. Okay. Ordinary glass with water. Ordinary water only, ha. Regular spoon we have here at home. So I'm mixing it. What is the color of this?
Yellow.
Yellow, right? Yellow. Now when we add it, okay, what have you noticed?
Red.
Okay, it turns into red.